what is Bühler working on?
Bühler is basically
Currently, you've started a
grain
solution
and
innovation.
grain and food processing organization, 160-year plus in
Actually,
the
the background
globally.
I understood earlier.
Yeah.
Just I want to understand what is the current solution that you are
The
offering?
solution means we basically target on the this one is that latest technology related to innovation, like we talk about flour milling, then we have the complete automatic solution. In that we provide data management, also reporting, then yield management. These are the things which can be done.
Okay.
And when we talk about sustainability, that is big topic. And today when we
Your
say
work on sustainability, you can share.
yes, so means our tagline is that reduction in the any process, reduction 50% power, 50% water. That is the tagline. But we actually, and reduction in the wastage also, similar guideline. So in that also we work the machine which being used for the any such process.
And what are the recent solutions that you brought, sir?
The
Food
recent
industry.
food industry, we recently brought this technology called this stoneless grinding. Means when we talk about atta, normally it's traditionally over the years or 100 years we have been talking the chakki, which has a stone, and earlier the stones were basically the natural stone. Today the all chemical bonded stones. So that when it grinded and it get entered into the our product, which we are not realizing. So we have brought the technology in that we don't use any stone.
Okay.
So that support in the we are not getting into the chemical which being aluminium and this chromium which is required for to give the bonding of that stone, but indirectly we are eating that actually. One side we talk about safe food, but other side we are taking, which we are knowingly unknowing, we are not too much aware about that. We just check the silica level. We are not going to that beyond this thing. So this is one solution which we brought recently. Then we brought one technology like pulses, जो ताल हमारा होता है उसमें पॉलिशिंग की ज़रूरत होती है. So normally it is being used leather polishing. So we brought technology without using leather. We have our CAM system in which you have the better polishing. Even duration also it can be double to the what the shining stand for weeks or 15 days. So that is another, because when you use leather it is not a hygiene and all, we know that. We actually don't know, but it is they were using or they are using. So we brought that technology. So these type of things. Then comes to automation.
So how that particular thing that you did, what effect it had on the customer?
Yeah, it
So how they were
affected.
able
He
to
now
any-
proudly can say this being processed in the non-leather machine or that way, and it has a reduction of 50% power reduction. That way I was talking. So that has the both benefit. So we work on that hygiene. Second thing is the how to we can have the power saving and all. So these are the certain products. There are n number of products, but I just shared with you two number this. There are other processes we talk about. The less footprint means let us say one flour mill earlier used to require a 50
So
meter
size you've reduced.
size, yeah,
So
and
area space.
yeah, and power reduction also, the complete pneumatically system by which you don't require that we call turbo tubular design, what we call. In that we reduce the power. So these are these n number of things which we are working. The clear guideline is that we spend our 5% of EBIT on the R&D on innovation only. 5%. 5% is not a small amount.
Yes, absolutely.
So and we every once in a 3 year we do globally customer centric program globally. In that we talk about how the industry will be next 10 year, 20 year, 30 year, where we are thinking. So these things, in that we talk about these all innovations. Our next 5 years, next 10 year, what products we are going to do.
how's the market right now, sir? How's it doing?
Yeah, market is
Demand.
getting.
Is it getting
I would
better
say,
or is it still?
no, it's
little
getting
stagnant?
better. Only thing, traditional professional working started in the especially pulses business, the dal business. In flour mill, the forward integration like cookies and all that stuff. Today you see we have the all solution. And Bühler actually has a solution from farm, means the storage system to milling to making cookies to packing and all. We have complete solution. So complete value chain we have. By that we will be able to see that now today there are customers, they are having flour mill, they are talking the cookies plant, biscuit plant. There are customers like Britannia, they are talking backward integration also with their vendors. Let us have a flour mill. So Bühler flour mill, the consistency in the, and the change is that today no buyer or no this OEM don't want to take material from 5 places. They want consistency. So let us say a Bühler plant, then that can be assured that they will get regular consistency in the supply. If you take buy from one place then other place, then you will have challenge, and then you will have challenge in your end product. So this actually changing. Earlier there was no Parley needs something, but now the system is getting changed. They want to have to make sure that the complete security of the material which is coming, in that especially consistency, and the buyer who has the reliability, reliable machines in that. So most probably, so it has been said, if Bühler plant is there, means 50% work is done. That has been said in the industry, most of places. We are assured that we will get the right thing. Yes, of course, the plant has to be maintained, all thing has to be done, but as per the quality of machine and consistent, it is always has an edge.
And also, how are the customers like responding to your like? Are there more queries coming in for customization or what improvement of some particular thing?
Yeah, but not
Any
that
example
way.
you want
But
to say that
it is
this
like
particular
that
machine,
once
they
we
require this also? Like
actually, yeah, very good question. The point here is that once we do 1 or 2 places, then immediately they start following.
okay.
So we have our well wishers, or you can say the speaker in the market. They proudly say, I am using Bühler. So they become our first, second, third, and then recommendation and all. So we normally work with the market leaders.
Okay.
If they believe, then accordingly it gets spreaded.
Okay. And any like, what are general queries you get from customers? What kind of things that you get that you think that has to be solved? And it
No,
takes time
awareness
for it.
still is a lot of awareness things required to industry. Still we get an inquiry, I need a flour mill, I need a same product atta also from that, I need suji from that, I need besan from them. So industry or means the means the traders is still not aware that flour mill actually give the your maida and suji, not atta. For atta you require a different system, for besan you require a different. This is kind of things query. And after COVID we were getting this food is the, or the grain is the one of the safest business. It has come out, but then it really somehow guys has gone inside. It is not that way, but yes, positive, but it is not that there is a huge margins and all. But if you maintain quality and all, I think you can get the edge.
What are your plans also? You can details. Last final question is plans for the
Yeah,
coming year?
we are making investment in India. We are expanding our capacities and to keeping in the not only the Indian market, to the export. We have target to do our export 50% in next 1 year. Earlier, nowadays we are doing 25 to 30%. So that is target, and it has been clearly come out that by the global our management that is a safe and investing country. There we can have a lot of hope within the within the India and outside also.